You look at my make ice cream. This na Yakult, and this one is Milo. I make ice cream and Milo for Jen, and this one Bia, this one LJ, and this is my friends. My ice cream. Oh, then my ice cream ng make it.
Solid yung ilalim.
And this one I get to go with this Yakult and ice cream. It's good ice cream, man. You see? So cool. And cool, and this one. And ice cream, this one. Is not this one. This and go. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel. 1 million.